Today's video is going to be on setting up the cover on top of the trailer. So we're going to try and see how well this works. I'll put a description to the bag or the cover in the below for Amazon. In the meantime, let me show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so here's the cover. It's going to try and go on top of the trailer, so I can put it back into storage. We'll see what happens. Alright, step one, try to get it over the cover or over the trailer as much as possible. It's better with two people, but one person can do it. Okay, so there are two straps that come with it that have a clip on each end. What you do is plug it into the one side, which is this white piece, and then you toss it underneath, pull it tight. And you do that on the back one right there as well. And it should hold nice and tight. And then you can use bungee cords and whatnot to keep it even tighter on here, which is probably what I'm going to do. But that's how it's going to look. Okay, this is just to show you what the trailer looks like with the cover pretty much secured, not completely, but almost, with the door open so you can see, or the flap up so you can see how to get into it. And as you can see, it's got plenty of airspace underneath to keep it nice and dry. I don't think it'll leak. Hopefully, I don't think it'll go anywhere. The problem is I sit next to an electric fence, and I want to make sure that I have plenty of room in case it flaps around in the wind. So we'll see what happens. Okay, one last quick walk around. As you can see, I have an electric fence I have to worry about, so I have to watch the gap. But here's the trailer with the torpedo inside. So it does go up, so it would be plenty high enough to cover a 6x8. I'm not sure about the Rouser, but as you can see for the RangeRunner, and I actually have a whole lot more there. I got to figure out how to tighten that down a bit. But for now, as you can see, it even comes down to the wheels. So I think it'll do pretty well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, one quick add-on to the end of the video is, as I noticed, I got plenty of room down here for the extra back end. So what I ended up doing was, on the jack supports, take the bottom end of the thing, of the cover, and loop it underneath, and then put your jack stand down. And that, as you can see, keeps it nice and tight right there. So that'll keep the whole thing from flapping away in the wind. As you can see, even on the back side, right, it ain't going anywhere. I mean, it'll flap in the wind, but other than that, it ain't going anywhere. Not off of that. And it's connections there and on the back. And as you can see, one more time, got the entire trailer covered. Now you know. And I will put a link to the description of the cover I bought from Amazon in the description below. If you have any comments, feel free to drop me a line. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.